Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything under things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Rivers State Court has issued an order restraining the arrest of Governor Simi Fubara's Chief of Staff. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the information we have is that a Rivers State High Court has restricted the Inspector General of Police, the Director General of the DSS, Department of State Services, and the Director of DSS in Rivers State. The court have restricted them from arresting the Chief of Staff to the suspended Governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara. His Chief of Staff is Edison Ehie. So Edison Ehie approached the court to seek relief, to seek protection, after he claimed that the former head of service of Rivers State, George Nweke, lied against him, and because of that lies, the security agencies may be tempted to arrest him. What was the lie? George Nweke, I don't know if you would have heard about him. He was the head of service of Rivers State who recently resigned from his position after the sole administrator for Rivers State, who was appointed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu after he suspended Governor Fubara. So Nweke resigned, claiming that he resigned voluntarily. But according to his wife, he disappeared and then reappeared in Abuja, where he addressed press conference, making all manners of allegations against Governor Simi Fubara, accusing him of misappropriation and misallocation of funds and diversion of funds, all kinds of things never seen before in Rivers State. And one of the things he alleged was that Edison Ehie was part of the bombing or destruction of the State House of Assembly, or that. So that kind of allegation is going to make the security agencies to be interested in Edison Ehie. And Edison Ehie himself has confessed that he knows nothing about what the former head of service, George Nweke, was saying, that the man was lying against him, and that all the things he said was not true. So in that kind of situation, what do? You have to go and seek the protection of the court. And the court in Rivers State has given him protection. And they have also made him to enter into 2 million naira indemnity, just to ensure that everything followed due process. Now, the issue is that what Rivers State has been turned to? So all this issue that there was insecurity in Rivers State, for which they declared a state of emergency, was a ruse. Now they are hunting other people, supporters of Simi Fubara, and using government officials or former government officials to come up with information, no matter how outlandish, to go against those perceived to be supporters of Simi Fubara. That is what all these things looks like. Because I can't understand, when you declare state of emergency, you are expected to concentrate on security. You say it was lack of security, that Fubara didn't do anything about the bombing of pipeline. You concentrate on security and all that. How did the whole thing now turn into investigation of the financial resources of River State and the sitting governor elected by the people? His supporters are being harassed by a sole administrator that many legal men say was an illegality. The kind of absurdity that happened in Nigeria, that happens in Nigeria, the kind of absurdities that happen in Nigeria is out of this world. And Edison Ehie has gone to court to seek protection. How long can he succeed, knowing what the court is in Nigeria today? We can only wish him good luck. We have never seen anything like this in a democracy anywhere in the world. And that is why when people say that there is no democracy in Nigeria, I don't know why people still debate that matter when we are seeing what we are seeing with our two eyes open. What do you think? How long do you think that this Edison Ehie, the chief of staff, how long do you think it will take before they take him away and flew him to Abuja? And then we begin to hear stories. How long? What is your view? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you.